people, this is Stuart Smith. We're going to have a little education today on the basics of 3D. So let's get it going. Alright, here we are putting color on white primer. If you want to put the color down, make it really bright and save money, use the white primer. But here we go. Red comes forward, green sits in the middle, and blue recedes. That's the formula, people. You can add in all the other colors, oranges, purples, what have you, but those are the main three. And you keep those going, you'll have no problems. And here we go with the black application for detail, both linear and shadowing. You can make things just as 3D with the colors as you can with the black by placing the shadows in proper areas. And you'll have a smoother image and not so choppy if you use more shadowing than you would linear work. See how the colors are laid out where things come forward, things decrease. Here on the green, we're just laying out some monochromatics against the staunch orange. That's going to work out really nice when it comes to the 3D glasses. And you can even add in different areas in that green by adding in the yellow highlights later on to expand it. Again, shadowing here is primary to really separate the colors and really give you that 3D depth even without the 3D glasses. And even here we have it where the blue is really going to go deep against the orange by placing in the line work and the shadows. And that's going to work out really nice. Here's a bunch of images from work that we completed this year, utilizing the same system as before, but then added in drool, highlights, ghosted images around it, cobwebs, lightning bolts, anything to make it not so boring. Because a lot of times, I mean, even if you go into Spencer's or somewhere, and then you see these black light posters and they're just this color, and that color, they're just not impressive. Oh yeah, they're UV, ooh, look at the glow, but it doesn't really matter. They're just not, they don't have power. And here, I think when we sit there and have the staunch image that we place white behind, and then with the Dayglo and a small airbrush, being able to ghost things around it and add in highlights into eyes, and this way you give the illusion of movement and wet, gooey, otherworldly, rather than just the staunch, hi, I'm UV, look at me, ain't cool. And so just go ahead and view the rest of those photos. They're really cool, they work out nice. The highlighting gives it so much more life. Especially when we're trying to, compete with customers and stuff. We want customers to really go wow when they see this stuff. And it just does amazing things with the 3D glasses. So I hope you learned, guys. I hope you guys learned something. I'm glad you sit there and stuck with me through this. Please like and subscribe. If you have any more questions concerning 3D and its applications, don't be afraid to sit there and leave a comment in the bottom. Contact me on Facebook, and we'll try to help you with that. In the meantime, hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.